I hate how front loader washing machines attract mold, and ours is nasty and I needed a solution fast. It's kind of shocking how much buildup happens in these machines, even though there's soap and water in them. The inside of the barrel looked okay. There was buildup on my glass door and of course the mold inside that rubber stopper. It was time for an intervention. Here you can see I've applied the gel. It's very thick. I do like that it's easy to work with and it does stay put. No crazy smells, nothing that seems overly harsh. It wasn't covering the entire surface, so I brushed it into place for better coverage. I let the product sit for 3 hours and checking on it. Slightening a little bit. So my initial impression was I wasn't sure if it was attacking that whitening, cleaning, mold stain, mildew, etc. This was the before. After I ran the machine, it got about 95% of it. You can see some mold spots still around, but compared to where I started, I would say massive improvement. So my plan is to repeat one more time. There's plenty left to repeat over and over, and I feel like it has made a dramatic improvement. This mold stain remover gel worked well, even though not perfect, but very pleased with it overall.